Hello guys, today I'm very excited to show you a new product that I received in this moment, and like you can see, I'm already in my PJs because I was going to sleep. But let me show you what I received today. It's a super big duvet cover set, okay? It's like this, and it also comes with these two pillow cases that I already put my pillow inside, okay? And well, this is so incredible. So well, the back of this duvet cover set, it looks like this, and it's made of super soft crystal velvet fabric, okay, which it makes it super comfortable and super warm, and also well, it's incredible, this thing. And well, it contains the pillowcase, a zipper, and also the cover set, the yeah, the cover. It contains this hidden metal zipper on the back of the pillowcase and of the bottom of the quilty cover duvet, and both are beautiful. Okay, like you can see, it's there. I'm going to get you closer. Okay, they're very beautiful, and also they seems to look super durable. Okay, so and well, also the four corner straps can fix the quilty to prevent moving, to prevent like they moves you in the bed. Okay, now, this blanket or this cover set, it can be used like as a blanket, or also maybe if you want to put it in the sofa station or in the sofa room, or where you have the TV, it will be perfect because really it's super soft. It is incredible. And well, I like it because it is machine washable, and that it helps a lot. And well, it also it's easy to replace and clean it. And well, I like it also because you can use it as a blanket in the summer season if you have like the winter turn it on. And well, this is how it looks. I'm going to put it in my bed, and then I'm going to show you. And the best part is that pets also like it. Like you can see here, it's my beautiful dog, and I think she likes it a lot because it's super comfortable and super soft and warm. And also, I think that the color and the design, it combines very well with any design you have in your room. So we are ready to go to sleep, me and my dog. So we are going to sleep. I'm going to turn on off the light.